Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with a new video. Today we are going to start lesson number 6, that is Old Bear Rabbit. Here we don't have the author's name. Okay, so before the explanation, let me give you a small introduction of the chapter. This chapter is about a naughty and lazy rabbit who first decides to clean the ground, but slowly when he gets hurt by the thorn, he slips from that site and he falls into trouble. And with his cleverness, how he comes out of that problem, we are going to see in this chapter. Right? So, एक स्टोरी एक रैबिट के बारे में है जो बहुत ही आलसी रहता है, ठीक है, और वो कुछ मुसीबत में पड़ जाता है, बट अपनी चालाकी से वो कैसे उस मुसीबत से बाहर निकलता है वो हम देखेंगे इस चैप्टर में. राइट? सो आई एम रीडिंग द इंट्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट. The following story is adapted from African American folk tale. The word bear is a short form for brother. Bear Rabbit is a naughty but likable character with gift for getting out of difficult situation. Here read this tale how he plays a trick on the bear rabbit. Here bear means brother. In American and African language, bear means brother. Okay, so we'll start with section 1. Bear Rabbit, Bear Fox with some children I know said Uncle Remus, looking at the little boy who had come to hear another story. Both of them were always after one another. There were two friends. One was rabbit, the other was fox. They were always behind each other. They always chase each other कि वो क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है, वो एक दूसरे के बारे में बहुत excited रहते थे. And this Uncle Remus, he was telling one story. There was one little boy who had come to listen another story from Uncle Remus. One day, Bear Rabbit, Bear Fox, Bear Coon and Bear Bear and a whole lot of them were cleaning up the ground to plant a new crops. The sun got sort of hot. Bear Rabbit got tired, but he didn't give up because he was afraid that the rest of them would call him lazy. He kept carrying away the rubbish and piling up the bush being cleared. Then suddenly he hailed out that he had thorn in his hand. He slipped off to look for a cool place to rest. Oh, okay. One day, Rabbit, Fox, Coon is a type of monkey, and Bear, they all decided that they are going to clean a place and they are going to grow crops in that place. So when they decided, it was afternoon, the sun was very hot, but still everybody started to work. Even the rabbit started to work. Actually he did not wanted to work because the rabbit was lazy, but he started working because if he will not work, others will call him lazy. So he in spite of his mind not ready to work, he started to work. He kept on carrying the rubbish. जो भी वहाँ कचरा था वो उठा के एक जगह उसको इकट्ठा करता था. He used to make pile of the rubbish which was there. Suddenly he shouted. Shouted means he got hurt with the thorn. वो जब कचरा उठा रहा था तो उसको एक कांटा लग गया, ठीक है. And he shouted, "Ah, I got a thorn in my hand." And slowly, with that pretext, with that excuse, he left the place. उस बहाने से वो जगह छोड़ के चला गया. Okay, now next paragraph I am reading. After a while, he came across a well with two buckets hanging in it from the wheel on the top. "That looks cool," said Bear Rabbit. "I will just get in there and take a quiet nap." With that, he jumped into one of the basket. As soon as he did that, the basket just went into the well. Okay. As I told you, he just slipped from that place from where everybody was working and started moving. A little bit further when he went, he saw a well. In that, there were two baskets hanging from the wheel. वेल देखा है, वेल के ऊपर एक व्हील जैसा रहता है और उसमें लोग रोप लगाते हैं और दो बास्केट्स होती है, तो बकेट्स लगी हुई थी उसमें. And so when the rabbit saw the bucket, he decided that he will go and rest in the bucket there so that nobody can see him resting. He will take a nap. Nap means a short sleep. थोड़े टाइम तक थोड़ा सा सो जाना, छोटी सी sleep, नींद. So when the two baskets were hanging there, he went into one of the basket. Both the baskets were empty. Both the baskets were एम्प्टी, मतलब दोनों बास्केट्स खाली थी। तो उसने क्या किया, एक बकेट में जाके बैठ गया। ठीक है, जब वो बैठ गया तो जिस बकेट में वो बैठा वो नीचे चला गया। व्हेन ही सेट इन वन ऑफ द बकेट, दैट बकेट वेंट डाउन इनटू द वेल। Okay children, we will stop here. Further we will see what happened to the rabbit when he went inside the well. Okay, so this is all for today. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, goodbye.